Can you restore a Binance Web3 wallet without a backup? It is extremely difficult, and in most cases it's not possible. Since Binance Wallet, like most crypto wallets, uses private keys or seed phrases to restore access. Without these, there's no way to recover access to the wallet, as the blockchain is decentralized and doesn't store personal information. You can first check for backup seed. The seed phrase or private key is essential for wallet recovery. If you didn't back up your Binance Web3 wallet at the time of setup, here's some things to check. Sometimes wallet backup phrases may be sent via the email when you first create the wallet. Search your email inbox for any messages from Binance that might contain the backup details. If you've backed up your phone or computer, it might include some wallet data. Check your device's backup to contain any relevant information about your wallet, Web3 wallet. Then look for backup files. If you have any form of backup saved on your computer or mobile device, it could be an encrypted key or a plain text document that contains your private key or seed phrases. Look for the files with name/wallet/backup, wallet/.key, private_key.text, and then check your cloud storage, external hard drive, or USB drives for any files related to Binance Web3 Wallet. You can attempt recovery access by opening up the Binance app, go to Web3 Wallet. Some users have reported that Binance's integration with Web3 might allow limited wallet recovery options through the app. If you linked your Web3 wallet with your Binance account or another platform, you may be able to access the funds through the connected wallet interface. Even if you can't recover your Binance Web3 wallet, the most important lesson is to protect your wallet data in the future. Always back up your seed phrase or private key. Store it securely offline, away from devices, in a safe place, or secure hardware wallet. For increased security, consider transferring your funds to a hardware wallet, which offers much higher security than online wallets. Then enable MFA on your Binance account and any other platforms associated with your cryptocurrency holding. Unfortunately, without a backup, recovery is impossible. The decentralized nature of Web3 Wallet means that you can only control your wallet's private keys. If this helped you, subscribe.